In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Trello data. By the end, you'll have a complete copy of your boards and activities saved to your computer, which is perfect for backups, audits, or moving information to other tools. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. In the results, click the official Trello website. If you prefer, you can go straight to Trello's homepage, but using a search engine is a quick way to get there. These steps assume you're already signed in to your Trello account. If you see a sign-in screen, log in first so the export option appears in your settings. Once you're on Trello, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile avatar. It might be your photo, your initials, or a generic icon, depending on your setup. A menu will open. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage preferences and, importantly, access your data export options. In the Settings view, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll if you need to, then click Export. It may appear near the bottom of the menu. This is where Trello lets you generate a package of your data. The page will explain what's included and how exports work. Keep in mind that availability and formats can vary by plan, but the process here is the standard way to pull a copy of your content. Next, click Create New Export. Trello will begin assembling your data in the background. For small accounts, this can finish quickly. For larger workspaces with lots of boards, cards, and attachments, it can take longer. If you don't see the download link immediately, give it a moment and then refresh the page. Sometimes Trello also notifies you when the export is ready. When the export is prepared, click Download. Your browser will save a compressed file, typically a zip archive, to your default Downloads folder. Choose a secure location to store it, especially if it contains sensitive project details. Inside, you'll usually find structured files representing your boards, lists, cards, comments, and activity. Attachments are often included as links or files depending on size and availability, so keep your internet connection handy if you need to retrieve linked content. That's it. You've exported your Trello data and downloaded it safely to your computer. Consider labeling the file with today's date, and repeat this process periodically to keep an up-to-date backup. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.